お前も蝋人形にしてやろうか。
At Mr. Zam's house. This is Mr. Zam from Sony, and Mr. Zam, would you like to introduce a bit for yourself?
Okay, my name is Ami Zamzuri. So basically, I'm working at Sony around 6 years already. So I'm working at Sony as a design engineer, and then previously I'm studying at the University of Technology Malaysia in the mechanical engineering aeronautics. So it is a bit far from my study subject. So now I'm working as a design engineer. So 6 years consider a long time already, but I think I gained a lot during these 6 years. So basically, what I need from my subordinate or my members, they should have a commitment towards working and willing to learn everything, and also willing to learn something new. So basically, to do mistake is okay, but it's how you are willing to learn from your mistake. So that is what more important for me. Basically, how I do what, mainly we say something nice. Basically, just say thank you for something like that.
Like eating nice to kita.
No, basically the working like in Sony working environment is almost we are almost same age, so the communication skill is not a problem basically, but how we reward our member for their effort is we say something that encourage them to have more output from them. Many problems. Sometimes because new member, sometimes even you are studying something at university, right, and fresh graduate, basically when you are experienced during working is not safe. Almost totally 90%, 80%, 90% is not the same thing sometimes, right? So mistake is mistake. Basically, what we mistake doing is almost every time doing by new members, like Mr. Oli. Last time working with me, right? lot of things he doing a mistake because new things and then new environment for him. So I take their mistake that finally he will learn from what mistake he doing. That is more important for me. So of course, I as a leader need to advise what you need to do after that. Teach them what is the correct way to do, how to do, so that they will learn and remember. Basically, to work as a team, yes, teamwork is you need to have a good teamwork, good communication, and also good relationship basically. So of course, there is some people that sometimes not cope with what you want, right? So you need to know how to handle people. So you need to get to know everything about your subordinate, so that you can catch the good point from each of your members. Try to get what is their strength, so that you can take and then do something so that you can take that strength to make stronger for your team.
To make it less advantage.
Yes. Mainly young engineer, right? They sometimes they expect too much, and then sometimes so they expect too less. So basically, you need to absorb fast, and then you need to become a fast learner. You cannot just depend on like during your student, like you always someone is feeding spoon with everything, you like lecturers feeding spoon, give your information. So basically you cannot do that in the working environment. You need to become fast learner. You need to have more curiosity. So you need to have more willing to do something, to gain more, to learn experience, to explore things, so that people will see you as a reliable guy, instead of everything you ask, how to do this, I cannot do this, what is this. So it's not good for people impression. You need to ask, because sometimes we don't know, we need to ask, but because sometimes new engineer, they don't want to ask, they don't know, and then after that just leave it like that, and then finally make trouble to the team, so on like that. So in the working environment, as a team, or if you work alone also, so you need to have more curiosity, something like that. Many young engineers, basically they just expect that when you go to the working, they expect that people will entertain you. Nobody has the time to entertain you, right? Because everybody is busy and their own work and so on. So you need to start something so that you can cope with the new environment. But most important, you should enjoy what you're working, and then you should go to work towards what's your passion.
To conclude our discussion, which means that young engineers should have more curiosity towards their jobs and their passion, and they should learn. It's okay for them to make mistakes, but they have to make sure that they are learning from it.
So I think as a fresh engineer, you should have because sometimes when people working long time at some certain place, right, their mind is stuck. So basically, the young generation coming towards the workplace is a good thing for them, basically, so that they expect that new fresh generation will give new output, so that they can have more ideas, especially in the design thing and something. So do not afraid to give ideas. Of course, sometimes the old generation, they already start, right. They already follow everything inside that particular.
Thinking inside the box.
Yeah, so sometimes they will say that, oh, you cannot do like this, you cannot do that. So of course, sometimes we as a fresh engineer, they will feel like fed up or give up, but do not stop that, so that the mind itself can grow. If not, you will start together with them also.
Okay, thank you, Mr. I think that's all for today, and thank you for your time. And we hope that we can communicate better.
Okay.